because I'm going to document this thing. Doing my watt box main harness for the coils. This is the going to go to each coil, and each of these is going to drop down into a single wire. If I can get the motherfucker to focus. Boom. And then they're getting soldered and then heat shrunk. And then this will drop down one more time until it's to 1. I could have done all the joints along each one of those, but I felt like this was a better location and a better way to do it. That way the joints weren't under stress. Everyone's got their personal preference, but I have no issues with anything that I've ever done like this, and that's how I chose to do it. So I want this thing to last. Anyway, that's how I'm doing it. I'll show you all how it's laid out at some point. I don't know how I'm going to lay these videos out, but hopefully it makes sense when I'm done. Hopefully. Don't know how well this is going to show on video, but I took all the wires down to 1. Everything is soldered to a single wire hookup, which you'll see at some point in the video. That way I can tape it up and make it all clean. Yep. Alright, so I ran the wires. I took the factory tape off. I have some nice fabric tape to put over this after and loom for all this shit, but on the 6-speed the harness is in a different spot than the autos, which is over there, so it's pretty easy to pull this out and take the tape off, run it through the grommet, and tape it back up. And then it comes out right here, and I have enough length on it so I can decide if I want to put it where I want to put it. Honestly, it's probably gonna go in this messy bitch somewhere. I'll probably clean out all my little bullshit, my insurance stuff, and stick it in here somewhere somehow, or just tuck it away. I might put it right up under here on this so that I can plug into it. I don't know, but I left enough length on it so I could stick it somewhere, even if it's behind this, because it ain't like I'm gonna have to program it but so much. And yeah, so that's that. Alright, I haven't really been showing y'all too much, but so after I cut the harness y'all saw me make and put it into each one of these, I also looped the other wires and put some heat shrink on them. They'll get taped up. And then this wire for the tack signal I did on this injector in the back, I'm going to depin this and heat shrink this, and then the red wire off that, so everything kind of goes through the firewall nice and easy. Then I'll plug it back in, test it out, and if everything works, I'll be taping everything up and making it clean, making it look like factory. So don't mind this. I got a vent catch can going on soon. That just kind of hides it for now, but hopefully this bad boy works.
Come on.